Hello, friends and followers. Here's a look inside this Fujitsu small signal relay, which is the difficult one to find that can be giving trouble in the Yaesu FT-102. So I socketed that relay, as you can see the socket down there, a week ago or so. But I'm still getting sort of bad receive through this thing, so I checked everything in here. The relay in here seems fine. I can eject signal directly into the antenna input here, and it's a little bit of loss through here, but not much. So I thought, well, what else can I muck around with? And I guess this relay was it. I don't like taking this thing apart, but I did. You can take off the top with your fingernail, it'll come off. So I was able to fingernail off that little catch there, and the whole top popped off it. And I ran some detoxin into it, and carefully just used a piece of paper to just wipe the contacts. It might wipe a film off them. Anyway, there's two sets of contacts in this thing. The top set that engage when the relay is closed are obvious, as you can see them right there. Did I soak them with detox it like crazy? Maybe. Are they clear now? Yeah, they're clear. Okay, you can see the gap. The bottom contacts that are in contact right now are tiny weeny little things there. Right there. How can I point them out to you? The other contacts are drum roll, suspense, da, 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 da. They are where? Right about there. And those are normally closed, so we had to be careful cleaning those up. Anyway, I hope I did some good with these things. I was getting like 0.03 or something ohms through this thing. So let's see what, I mean, I'm not really doing a very exact test here. I don't have the equipment, but let's see what I get now, just for the heck of it. There's the meter. I don't know what, I know a guy named Mal, who's a heart surgeon, has studied these things extensively. I really haven't. Anyway, for safety, I guess I'm going to put the cap back on this thing before I put my hands on it and break things. So, the Fairchild F, the little F there goes toward the F goes toward this group of pins here. There's the F, there's the pins. That's how I took it off, so that's how it goes back on. Let's just put this guy back on with one hand. Okay. Will it snap down without breaking anything? It did. Okay, now we're self-contained again and ready for testing or action. Hopefully my detox in there won't screw things up, but we'll see. And I want to check this thing and ohm it out. Let's see if I can do that. Here we are. So, did this make things better? It was already pretty darn good, but let's see what happens this time. I think I was going between here and here, was it? I forget. One of these had a reading. Was it here and here? Nope. Did I break the damn thing? Maybe. Okay, yeah, there's a reading. And looks worse. It was .3, now it's .5. So maybe I made it worse. But like I said, this is very inexact. Looks like that one's worse. What about this one? No reading there at all. Okay, there's about where it was, .2. And this one had a reading too, I thought. Nothing at all. So did I break it? This is probably why you don't want to take these apart, right? How about giving it a little dap here? Maybe that'll seat it. Maybe I'll put it back in and see what it will do. Nothing at all. Nothing there. Nothing there. I'm kind of forgetting now how I measured this thing. I think I was here and here. Yep, that's .3. That's back where it was. Okay, and then these two, same thing usually. Yep, so I'm getting .3 back where it was. So that's where it was. Well, let's put it back in the radio and see what happens. Again, this is a relay that you can't find. It's obsolete. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.